In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see in the screen, hotel location and price and functions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the super room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and uses, etc. Category second. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see in the screen. Two categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests to really enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The hotel accepts your credit cards when reserved. The right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. and the checkout time is 11 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID and check in. Several rules and offers are available online for this hotel along with various terms and policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking this hotel, press icon to booking or more details, check description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.